1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're happy numbers, let's dance and thrive. Hi friends, I'm number 1. I always come first. There is only one sun in the sky.
Numbers don't have to be boring for kids. I turned simple numbers into fun talking characters using a free AI video generator.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start by generating the images for the numbers. So I'm going to go and pick the first prompt for number 1. Also, I have the prompt and videos for these numbers. So if you want them, just comment prompt in the comment section. I'm going to give them to you for free. So I'm just going to copy the prompt for number 1 and then type generate. And then paste this prompt and make sure I type aspect ratio 16:9. This is because the aspect ratio is for YouTube, so don't forget to type in the aspect ratio as 16:9 so that ChatGPT will know the aspect ratio of your image. And if it is for Facebook, it will now be 9:16, or TikTok, it will be 9:16. So do well to put in the appropriate aspect ratio for your image. Once I've done that, I'm just going to click on send and ChatGPT will start generating my image. So you can see now my image is ready and number 1 is absolutely beautiful. Don't forget to click on the image in order for you to download it. Click on the download button at the top right corner to download your image so that you can have it in your device. So now I'm just going to go and copy the prompt for number 2. So once I'm done copying it, I'm just going to go ahead and type in generate. Once I type in generate, I'm going to also paste the prompt for number 2 that I just copied. Okay, so when I paste it, do not forget to type in your aspect ratio. I prefer 16:9 because my image is for YouTube. So once I do that, I'm just going to click on send and ChatGPT will go ahead and start generating my second image for number 2. If you are still watching till this point, please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, and thank you. Now my image for number 2 is ready. I'm just going to click on it. I like it, by the way. I'm just going to click on it and then click on the download button at the top right corner to download my image into my device. Next, I'm going to go back and copy the prompt for image number 3. So I'm just going to copy all, and then go ahead and type generate as usual. Once I type in generate as usual, I'm just going to paste the prompt for image number 3. Don't forget to write your aspect ratio. You can write your desired aspect ratio. This is important so that you get your image in your desired aspect ratio. So I'm just going to click on send and ChatGPT is now generating my image number 3 for me, and all you have to do is to be patient. Now my image number 3 is ready. You can see how cute it is. All I'm going to do is click on it and then download it using the arrow at the top right corner to download it into my device. So now you understand how this works. You will now go ahead and copy the image for number 4. Once you copy it, you go ahead and type in generate and then paste it. Once you type in generate, you paste it, and don't forget your aspect ratio. Once you also type your aspect ratio, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to click on send so that ChatGPT can go ahead and generate your image number 4. So by now, I believe you understand how generating the images for these numbers work, and I'm just not going to bore you with the remaining numbers. I'm just going to go ahead and head over to the free video generator so that we can animate our numbers. In order to animate number 1, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the video prompt for number 1. You can see it is showing video prompt, so I'm just going to copy it, and it is for number 1. I'm going to head over now to Google and type in Google Flow AI. Once I type in Google Flow AI, I'll click on the link. Now it will take me to this interface where I'm just going to click on Launch Flow. And now I'm just going to go to this place or this interface and click on New Project. Once I click on New Project, the first thing I'm going to do is click on Start and upload my number one image. And I'm just going to go to my gallery and upload my number one image that I generated from ChatGPT. You can see it is now uploading in Google Flow AI. Next, I'm going to click on this video and then choose the aspect ratio of my video. It's either you choose 9:16 or 16:9. I'll take 16:9. Next, I'm going to decide the number of times I want my video to generate. Next, I'm going to choose the VEO version that I want to use for this. I'm going to use VEO 3.1 fast because it takes 20 credits. Remember, this is a free version of Google Flow. Next, I'm going to paste my video prompt that I got from ChatGPT and then click on Send. Now you can see that Google Flow is now generating my video. All you have to do is to be patient. It's going to tell you queue, and this queuing will only take like 2 seconds, or 5 seconds maximum. You can see it is now generating my video. It doesn't last long. So when you see queue, queuing, do not panic. Just wait for it. It's not going to take time for it to start generating your video. And if you are still watching up to this moment, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and leave a comment. Thank you so much. Now my number one video is now ready. All I need to do is click on it. You can see all I need to do is click on it. You can see that my number one video is now talking. I saw it earlier in the beginning of this video. See how beautiful this is? So I'm just going to click on the download button at the top of this video in order to download this video. And do not forget to download your video in 720 pixels. Now my video is now in my device, my very first number one video, and congratulations to us. We have succeeded in creating your very first number one kids friendly video. Next, I'm going to go in and click on Start, bring in my number two from my gallery, the number two image I generated from ChatGPT. I'm going to upload it, and I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for number two as you are seeing on the screen. Once I copy it, I'll return back to Google Flow and then wait for my image to upload. Once my image is done uploading, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Paste and then paste in my video prompt, and then click on my video settings to check if they are still intact before I click on Send in order to generate number two. Remember, I show you how to set your videos in the beginning for number one. So it's just going to queue for a few seconds. Don't panic. It's just going to take 2 to 5 seconds. And once it's done queuing, it's just going to go straight to generating your video. And this is also for free. You are given free daily credit using Google Flow AI for your videos. And this is amazing if you're a new YouTuber or you're just starting your business. This is very good for you, as you can test a lot of things using Google Flow AI before you understand what works for you. So my video is still generating. I'm just going to be patient for it to generate. My number two video is done generating. I'm just going to click on it, and you can see this is going to grab attention wherever platform you post it, be it TikTok, Instagram, or even YouTube. It will grab attention wherever you post it. If you try this out, this is really amazing, and this is how they create or generate kids-friendly video that you see online. Now, don't forget to download it in 720 pixels because it's more sharper. Now that you are done downloading it, you can go back and then click on Start in order to generate the third number, which is number 3, but I'm not going to bore you with this. You know how to do it already, so you can go ahead and generate all the numbers you want to generate. I'm just going to quickly take you to where you can generate your first intro video. That is the introduction that shows all the number. So we are just going to rush back to ChatGPT in order for me to show you that. For the intro video, I'm just going to tell ChatGPT to give me an image and video prompt that will capture all the numbers 1 to 5 in one image. You can see what it's generated. I didn't like it, so I asked ChatGPT to give me one without writing. As you can see on the screen, it has given me the one without writing. That is how you generate the image for your intro video. So once I download this, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me the video prompt for the image. As you can see on the screen, this is the video prompt and I've copied it already. I'll return back to Flow AI and click on Start and then upload the intro image that I showed you how to generate. Now you can see that it is uploading in Google Flow. I'm just going to check my video settings if they are intact. Recall at the beginning of your video I showed you how to do that, and then I'm going to paste the prompt for the video and then click send so that Flow AI can generate it for me. You can see Flow AI is generating my intro video for me. All you have to do is to be patient for it to generate it for you. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you have questions, share and like this video. Thank you. Now my video is ready. You can see how beautiful this intro video is, and this is really amazing. This is how those big kids video generate their videos online. There is no magic. I have shown you now. Please do not forget to subscribe, share and like this video, and don't forget to download your intro video. Just click on the download button at the top right and download it in 720 pixels. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.